Hello dear students, welcome back to the maths class. In today's class we will cover exercise 11.2 question number 1. So your question number 1 is convert the following into days and hours. I instruct you to open book page number 169 exercise 11.2. All of you open exercise 11.2 on book page number 169. We are studying chapter 11, time and temperature. Okay, read the question 1 carefully. Question 1 is convert the following into days and hours. Convert the following into days and hours. Question number 1 is convert the following into days and hours. So, for converting hours into days, we have one hint which is written on the board. What is the hint? The hint is to convert hours into days. We divide the number of hours by 24. What is the hint? The hint is that to convert hours into days and hours, what we do? We divide the given number by 24. We divide the given number by 24. So now let us solve questions. So question number 1A, question number A is 62 hours. What is our task here? Our task here to convert 62 hours into days. And according to it, to convert, what we do? We divide the number of hours by 24. So in rough one, I will divide 62 by 24. As my divisor here is 24, so I will require the table of 24, right? To solve this division, I will require the table of 24. So I am writing table of 24 here. Okay. So by using this table, we can solve the division. 24 is our divisor here, 62 is dividend. Now, as divisor is of 2 digits, so we will take the 2 digits of dividend. Okay. Now, in how many times we can divide? In 2 times we can divide. So 24 2s are 48. Now subtract 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4 and 5 minus 4 is 1. Now we have remainder as 14. Now 14 is smaller than 24, so we will stop our division here. Now we perform the division according to hint. We divide the number by 24. Now 2 is quotient, so the number in quotient will be your days and the number in remainder place will be your hours. We remember this. The number in quotient's place will be your days and the number in remainder's place will be hours. Now here in the solution part we will write, we know that one day we know that divide by 24, which will be equals to 2 days. After division what we get? 2 days 14 hours. So it is our rough work part and it is our solution. What we will write? We know that 24 hours is equals to 1 day. Therefore 62 hours is equals to 62 divided by 24. So our result is 2 days 14 hours. Note it down or take the screenshot. Now next question. Part B of the question. What is given? 155 hours are given. 155 hours are given, and what is our task? Our task is to convert 155 hours into days. So to convert, what is the hint? To convert hours into days, what we do? We divide the number of hours by 24. So number of hours are 155. We will divide 155 by 24. So in rough work, we will divide 155 by number 24. Now as our division is of 2 digit, so we will choose the first 2 digit of the dividend. But here the first 2 digit, which is 15, is smaller than divisor. So now we will take the all 3 digits of the dividend. So it is the table of 24. Now see in how many times we can divide. 1 time, 2 times, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think in 6 times we can divide 155. So 24 6 are 144. Now divide both the numbers. Put the subtract both the numbers. Put a minus sign here. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So here after division we get 6 in the quotient and 11 in the remainder part. And as you know that the quotient will be days and remainder will be hours. So 6 hours 11 days will be our answer. Sorry, 6 days 11 hours will be our answer. Now in solution part what we will write? We know that we know that 24 hours is equals to 1 day. We know this 24 hours is equals to 1 day. Therefore, in the next line write therefore 155 hours equals to 155 divided by 24. Now after division what we get? We have already performed division here, right? So after division we get 6. 6 is in quotient part, means it is showing days. And here remainder showing hours. So 6 days 11 hours is your answer. Take the screenshot of the solution. 155 hours is equals to 6 days 11 hours. Take the screenshot of the solution. Okay, now we will solve the next, that is part C. See, it is very simple. To convert hours into days and hours, what you need to do? You need to divide the given number by 24, and after division you will get your answer. Now part C. In part C, what is given? 243 hours is given, and our task is to convert this 243 hours into days and hours. And according to him, to convert, what we do? We divide the given number by 24. So in rough work, divide 243 by 24. As our divisor is of 2 digits, so we will take the first 2 digit of our dividend. So 24 ones are 24, in one time we can divide. Now subtract both the numbers. 24 minus 24 will give 0 as remainder. Now we will bring down the next digit here, which is 3. Now the number 3 is smaller than division, so we cannot further divide, so we will stop our division process here. So here 1 is our quotient and 3 is our remainder. And as you know that the quotient part denotes here days and remainder part denotes hours. So now in solution part, what you will write? You will write, we know that 24 hours is equal to 1 day. Therefore, in the next line, therefore 243 hours will be equal to, what we will do here? We will divide 243 by 24. And as we have already performed the division here, from the rough work we can write down our answer directly. So after division we get 1 day, 3 hours. So this is how we will solve all the remaining questions of this question number 1. Take the screenshot of the solution. Sorry, here 10 days. Not 1 day, 10 days will come. As 3 is not divisible, so we will put 1 0 in our quotient part. So answer will be 10 days. Your answer is 10 days, 3 hours. Now we will solve question number D. In question number D, what is given? 302 hours is given, and we will convert these 302 hours into days and hours. So to convert, we will divide 302 by 24. Now as our division is of 2 digits, so we will take first 2 digit of dividend, which is 30. So in one time we can divide. Now subtract both the numbers. 30 minus 24 gives 6 as remainder. Now In solution part, what you will write? We know that 24 hours is equals to 1 day. Therefore, 302 hours is equals to 302 divided by 24. We have already performed division here. So after division we get 12 days, 14 hours as result. Take the screenshot of the solution. One last question. Note down all the solutions systematically in your notebook. Okay, next question. Part E. 144 hours is given and our task is to convert these 144 hours into days and hours. So according to hint, we will divide 144 by 24. Check the table of 24. 144 is in 6 times we get 144 in the table of 24. So directly it is we can divide in 6 times. So when we divide 144 by 24, our quotient is 6. In solution part we will write, we know that 24 hours is equals to 1 day. Therefore 144 hours will be equal to 144 divided by 24, and after division we get 6 days as our answer. Take the screenshot. Okay, I hope you got the concept how to convert hours into days and hour. One more time I am recalling the hint. To convert, what we do, we divide the given number by 24 and we get our answer. The number in quotient part will be your days and the number in remainder part will be your hours. Okay, so this is how you will solve all the remaining questions of question number 1. I have solved 5 for you. Now the remaining questions you will solve by yourself and check your answers from backside of your book. So I am writing homework for you. Exercise 11.2. Question number 1. F, G, H, I, J, K and L. All these you will solve by yourself and will check your answers from backside of the book. Okay, we will meet in the next lecture with the new concept. Till then, complete all these work.